Absolute Power Tools is a family-run independent tool shop offering sales, hire and repairs. In our flagship store located in Wiltshire, Wiltshire, we stock a wide and varied range of hand tools and power tools from all the leading brands. Whatever you're looking for, our knowledgeable and friendly staff are always on hand to help. We stock a huge range of accessories and bits for use across all the major tool brands. We also have a wide array of both battery and mains operated power tools from brands including Makita, Bosch, Milwaukee, Ryobi, DeWalt and many more. Our range of hand tools and accessories come from brands such as Irwin, Stanley including its Fat Max range, Sealy and many more. If it's tool hire you're after, Absolute Power Tools can help. We have a large selection of tools available for hire, from the small to the large. Here at Absolute, our tool repairs team offers a reliable and effective servicing and repairs shop. Our highly skilled and experienced repair team offer repairs on all well-known trade brands. So, for all your tool needs, call Absolute Power Tools today.